Hello, I'm Ann Mowbray, a real estate agent in Edmonton, Alberta, Canada. Today, we'll talk about buying and selling a home at the same time. Let's dive in. Thinking of buying a new home but need to sell your current one first? It sounds tricky, but with the right strategy, you can do both smoothly. Let's talk about how you can buy and sell at the same time without the stress. A mortgage broker can help you figure out what works best for you, so get pre-approved early. Every situation is different. If the market is hot, buying first might work. But if homes take longer to sell, selling first is usually safer. Your real estate agent, like me, can help you coordinate everything to avoid double moves and double mortgages. Buying and selling at the same time requires a solid strategy. I help my clients plan their transactions so they can move seamlessly from one home to the next. Message me today and let's find the best game plan for you.